Hey, I'm Roddy from LemTask, and today we'll be talking about a very interesting task management tool called Trello, and we'll be talking about how to use a best setup for yourself to help you manage tasks easily and efficiently without no ease. So this is the Trello's homepage. This is Trello's home dashboard. As you can see, there's a lot of boards, a lot of custom boards that you can use. So we're gonna first scroll down. Just scroll down right here. Once you scroll down, you'll see that there is a certain part right here that says create board. You click onto it, then you just give this board a title. I'll call it Razor. Then after that, you just create the board like this. You want to create your board. As you can see, this is your board, so you have to add cards onto it. So you add cards. This is a simple setup that helps you to reduce stress, overwhelmfulness, overthinking, and helps you enough to complete your task each and every day. So the first part is that we are going to write inbox in this first card. Then you just add this list. Then the second card, we're going to type today. Then you add that card. Then the third card, you're going to type done. Then you don't need a fourth one. You just need 1, 2, 3. Inbox today, done. Once you have this sequence in your inbox, you write the tasks that you want to call, what that you want to do, and tasks that you have in mind. But bear in mind, the key rule in this inbox that you have to write at least 5 tasks less, so that the fewer tasks you have, the much better you're able to manage them and complete them and work on them. So we are going to write our first 5 tasks. First one is work. Excuse me, I just have to edit that a bit. Work. After that, you can add a label suggesting how high level of a priority it is. And you just click here in terms of color. Then you write the title, then you say high level, then you just say save. So automatically you're giving it a priority. So after you just done that, you write a description if you want here. You even place a date that you want for the task to be completed or the task that has to be done. Then you just, of course, if you want to recirculate, if you want to give it a due date, you can, then you just write save. In this case, it's going to be today. Then after that, you just go here. Automatically, you can see that you just added it. We have 2 more. So read, just add that. Gym, meeting, do invoices. After that, you can add a priority, stating what level of priority they are, just to align and give them a sense of direction at point to how high level it is, which is not, just so you can give it a differentiation. Then you can just do this. By also giving them labels, you are giving it sense of levelness, giving it that, no, since it's red, it's a high priority. It's green, it's kind of it's mild, it's okay. Gym is blue, it's okay. Red, it's actually very urgent, it's a high priority. Then once you have your task that you want to complete in your inbox, when you are about to do the task today, you just shift it in place, that card in the today box, signifying that this is the task that I'm dealing with and this is what I want to do today. You decide to read, you decide to gym today. Then today you are reading, you are gymming, you are working. Then once you are done working, you just shift it to the done box and you give it a tick to give it a signifying that, no, this task is done. Once you are done gymming, you put it there in the done box, then you tick it. Then once you are done reading, you're done and you tick it. And you have 2 tasks left for the tomorrow day to do. Then you have a meeting the other day, you do your invoices, you complete it, and you give yourself that, you tell that, no, this is today's task. This is your today's task to complete. Once it's placed in today's, once you're done, you just shift into done box and you just tick it like that. That's the best setup for Trello and it's easiest, more efficient. The less tasks you have, the more you're able to complete. For this content, we use the same approach here at LemTask. This is LemTask's homepage. This is LemTask. This is LemTask's dashboard. This is how it looks like. I'm going to take you to the brain dump feature, whereby you are able to give out your task in many ways. You can do it the type way, or you can use the voice way, whereby you talk and schedule your task, or you can import a file that's gonna turn them into tasks, or a transcript, or you can just record your thoughts and you can extract into tasks, and also CSV file. Also, if you want to extract tasks, and also audio, it does the same thing. For further ado, I'm going to do quick 2 examples of how do you plan about your task here in the voice section for LemTask. Working today. So that's it. The reason why you're saying today is because you're telling that this task requires me to do today. Then you extract. Once you extract, you can see working, given the date automatically because I told it. Then you set a time. Give it a time, give it a priority, low, medium, high, and then you add it to the list of where your list is. Then you just add, boom, like that. Then we're going to do our second one. Reading today a novel. Then you're done with that. Then you just do that. Automatically reading a novel. As you can see, today I add my time, add priority, I set it to my folder. Automatically you can see also there's a suggestion board allocating and telling you that no, this is a learning phase, this is a personal phase, this is a work phase, so that each and every task has this identification thanks to the suggestion. You just press accept to accept that it's true. Once you add your task right here, you go to your list at the bottom. As you can see here, as you can see right here in front of you, there are 2 tasks right here in hand. So this is how you schedule your task with LemTask with the voice program. Much easier, much faster, and saves a lot of time. Trello. This system helps you to set up a best productivity and finishing your work consistently by keeping your tasks less than 5, having inbox today and done as 3 cards. And once you put all your tasks in inbox, once you want to start attacking them, you put them today. Once you have done with today, you set them in done, signifying that these tasks are done. This is the best setup for Trello. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the notification bell, like, subscribe, and all the links you will find in the description below.